Alright guys, so as I said before, we are now able to see the image from the drone inside the goggles, and that means that theoretically we should be able to fly by doing, let me see if I could, good golly, mobile device related performance will be affected by what exactly, I don't know. It messed around with the size of the image, so that is not good. So once I threw it into the goggles, the size of the image got modified for some ridiculous reason. So we'll see what that does in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Likey.